Holy shit. I'll tell you what, I can't keep up with these fucking fish. They're killing my arm. Oh my god. Look at the size of this son of a bitch. God damn. He fucking hammered. That's probably what hammered your spinnerbait up in there. This thing's beast, man.
Big boy.
Big boy right here.
Wish you could eat him.
Hell no.
Oh, he ain't done.
Well, he's done, but I just can't grab him. He's fucking 500 goddamn pounds. God damn. Look at this beast.
She's a beast.
How? God damn. I mean, he freaking just snarfed it. The whole thing.
Fish was on the tank.
He's up there eating. Shit.
I don't even eat. Cow. She. Oh, right there. Dude,
Big one? Big one?
good one, dude. On the other side of that fucking tree. Good one.
Oh, look at my net! I bent my net!
Dude, did you see? You should have seen it eat it.
Look,
It's fucking.
that thing bent my net.
There's a good one right there.
Oh, I saw it eat it back there. Don't suck, dude. Except for this fucking
Yeah.
hog. Get the net. Get the fucking net. Get the net. Get the net. This is a fucking hog. This is a goddamn gorilla. Get that fucker. Oh, come on! Dude, net the fish!
Why is it? Dude, it's because the net's so bent.
Oh, is it? Alright,
It's 'cause
alright,
the
alright,
net's so
alright,
fucking
alright. I'll let it slide, dude. I'll let it slide.
It kept falling out because the net's so.
Yeah, but you get off. Good tank. You're gonna take a
You
shit.
have to have more fish.
Right here. That's a real big thing.
Right here.
Oh yeah, well, go ahead. Get it. Pig. Fucking pig. I got it. Look at this fucking giant dude. Another fucking solid 3.5, 4 pounder. Look at this fish. Look at that. I knew it.
That's a baby.
It's because you're used to seeing 6.5 now. Look at this. Shoot. Hey, look, he swallowed it, man. Fucking double, dude. Double.
Oh, you got a good one.
Doubled up, cuz. I'm gonna double, cuz. This shit. This shit. There we go. I'm talking about 5th fleet. Oh, here you go. Doubled up in the skibbity packs. Doubled
Oh,
up.
I got another one.
Good. Good, dude. Good, dude. That thing ugly shit. Look at that nasty ass. There he is.
Big one.
Good one? Good one? Good one? You want him in the net? 2 pounder? Got him. Solid. It's valid. It's valid. Totally valid. Dude, they're just. Did you see that fucking fish eating? How the fuck did you miss it? Go. This is something. I can tie it up with some fucking. There you go. It came free. Get the net. Here it comes. Look at it. Look at it. No, get the net. This might be a 6. This might be a 6, dude. Get the net, dude. Get the fucking net.
Alright, it is.
Jesus Christ.
It is a 6.
Well, Jesus, get it.
Well, that's a
Get this fucking thing. Get this fucking thing. This is like my biggest, personal biggest bass in here.
Look at that. That's like a fucking 7.
Whoa!
That's a 7, dude.
Yeah, baby.
That's a fucking 7.
Dude!
That's a fucking 7.
Dude!
That's
Look at this beast!
That's a fucking
Ha ha! Got him!
You were 42. 640.
Yeah, baby!
God fucking.
Yeah, baby!
Hey, dry fucker in the well.
640, baby! Look at this beast! Look at this beast right here! Almost 6.5. Yo, give me. that fucking thing? No, but he jetted out of it. He wanted it swimming. He wanted that crawl swimming. Holy shit. Like a Scud missile, that thing came out and just hammered that. Dude.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I was looking at the pump. It's a big one, dude. Hit the net. Hit the net. This is a fucking big fish. Look at him. He's gonna break my rod in half. Look at this fish. I was looking in there. I wasn't even fishing. Right there, just dragged it right there. Look at this fish. Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Good one.
Fucking pile drive as soon as it hit the fucking water right there.
Yeah, baby. Look at that chunk. Dude, that is a good, dude, we would have a freaking mega bag today. Mega bag. This thing's loaded with fish, it's just that they're not biting. Like,
Every fucking time.
well, then I shouldn't have netted it then. Throw them off, man. Right here. Dude, that's a good one right there, folks. A little jig fishing. Heavy fish. Big one?
No.
It looks like a big one. Big. Yeah, it is.
It's just biting.
No, it's a good one. Fucking good one. What are you talking about, dude? Look how fucking heavy that thing is. That's a big one. Nice, dude. You can tell by the way he was pulling on some fish. That's a fucking.
Used to catch them through all this shit.
Good one?
We got practice.
It is a good one. What do you mean? It's fucking 2.5. Or 2 3/4. That's a solid fish. Fuck. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? You fucking swimming like a little bit. Look at this guy. Look how hard they play. Those river fish are fucking something else, man. Look at that. Tired him right out. There we go. Look at that solid fish. 2 3/4. I'll catch those all day. Man, it's stacked up on his back. Nice one. 3-pounder. Good one? Good. Yeah, but look at him, dude. Holy shit. You would think these are smallmouth, dude, the way they're fighting.
Love boat flipping.
Dude, they are, yeah, it's bigger. Bigger. That's bigger. Pig. Not doing much. It's gotta be a pig.
It's a dink, dude.
Are you serious? No, it's not. Dude, it's a 3-pound fish. Come on, dude. Give me that shit. Oh, why are you saying it's a dink?
I thought it was.
It's a fucking boat. Put it in a box. So we're getting those pictures.
Yeah, that one's a good one. I'll put this one in the
You're
box.
crazy, dude. Why you keep lying to me and shit, dude? Dude, go get that one right up to that fucking camera.
That's why I don't put down the spinner bait.
Juice, Snoop! You said that fish was 12. That's 12, double that? Alright. Get the net for you. No, it's in the shit. Alright. Good one. It's a good one. Not giant. Good. I mean, it's good.
Woo! That's
Swing
my
right.
biggest one of the day.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Woo!
That's a 4-banger.
Woo!
Hold that up.
That's a dark one too.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo!
Let me make sure this thing's still rolling. Oh yeah, she's still rolling too. She's still got better weigh that one.
There we go.
Look, his eyes are popped out of his fucking head.
That's fucking
Picture that.
brute.
I knew it was this breed.